going to be covering TEKS 7.6i, and it says I can determine the probability of a simple and compound event. All right, so we're going to focus on the word problems now. In the last video, we did some sort of it was kind of like a table, but now let's look at this word problem one. It says a bag contains flavored lollipops. A lollipop will be randomly selected from the bag. 17 lollipops are grape flavored. 8 lollipops are cherry flavored. 14 lollipops are watermelon flavored. 16 lollipops are strawberry flavored. What is the probability in decimal form that the selected lollipop will either be cherry flavored or watermelon flavored? So I'm going to look at the question, and I see this word probability right there. So on our reference chart, we actually have a cheat code for probability. Probability is just going to be a fraction, and it's going to be a number over total. So let's look at this right here. Oh, and at the end, they want to answer in decimal form. So let's look at the ones that we have. We have grape, cherry, watermelon, and strawberry. So I'm going to add these numbers up. 17 plus 14 plus 16 plus 8. 7, 4, 8, and 6. If I add those up, that gives me 25. Carry the 2, and then 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have a total of 55 lollipops. Let me write down my cheat code, so I know that I'm going to have a fraction, and the decimal is going to be 55. Now, they wanted me to find the ones that were cherry or watermelon. So here is my watermelon, and here is my cherry. So let me add those two up together. 8 plus 14. That gives me a total of 22, because I carried the 1, right? Okay, 22. So I have 22 over 55. But don't forget, they don't want my answer in a fraction. They want it in decimal form. So let's go ahead and simplify this fraction by dividing it into each other. So 55 can go into 22. Okay, so 55 cannot go into 22, so I'm going to add a decimal and a 0. Now, I don't know exactly how many times 55 can go into 220. I'm just going to guess, start multiplying, I don't know, maybe by 3. So that gives me 15, carry the 1. That's 15 again, plus 16. Okay, so that's too little. I gotta, maybe multiply maybe by 1 more. So 55 times 4. And if you're not sure how many times this particular number can go into the number on the inside, just like I'm doing right now, start just guessing. Start guessing and start multiplying it times that number. If it's too little, like I did here, notice how I went up by 1. So now let's see, that'll be 20, carry the 2. Oh, right there. That gives me 0. So my answer is 0.4, because they wanted my answer to be in a decimal form.